All right, here we're going to scan in a stag moose for a full-size replica. This is going to be the left side. We don't have the right, so we are going to scan in this left side here, and we are going to mirror that where we can create a full-size replica. We can also use the scanning for any kind of archiving. You know, you've got a buck you would hate to lose in any kind of natural disaster, a theft, anything like that. We can scan for backup for archiving purposes. Give you a little assurance of your animals are secured and taken care of. We pick up exact dimensions, exact size, detail.
And that scanner is able to capture all the imperfections of the...
Yeah, it'll catch all the texture, all the cracks, all the growth lines. It'll capture everything within the rack. We get exact detail, exact size, shape. There we go. That's all the detail. And we can mirror that over and make the other side.